hour.
Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijayashankar yesterday felicitated the victorious under-15 team of Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School, who recently clinched the 63rd Subroto Mukherjee International Cup 2024. The grand felicitation ceremony was held at the historic Darbar Hall in the Raj Bhavan. The event was also witnessed by Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. In his address, the governor congratulated the management of Nongjri Presbyterian Secondary School for their relentless effort in nurturing and developing the talents of these young athletes. The victorious team was awarded with a certificate of appreciation, gift hampers, mementos and a cheque of 1,01,000 rupees.
Translated in a scheme like particularly this school, the management of this school should be congratulated because of the individual effort, even to take that much of risk and responsibility. Ultimately, you were able to see this kind of development and this kind of environment in Meghalaya. It is only related to football. What about the rest of the other activities related to sports? We have to give same importance to the rest of the other sports activities also. If at all he is able to play football, it's okay. Somebody is interested in volleyball. Somebody is interested in kabaddi. Somebody is interested in some other sports. Each and every angle, whatever to be supported, because ultimately our sports minister told, they are the assets of the nation. They are the real assets.
Meghalaya's Cherry Blossom Festival is